Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And do you remember a couple of shows ago I mentioned this radio from Activus? Just came out. It's a TRRS 629 AM, FM, shortwave, MP3 player, all kinds of functions. And I was really excited about this. Originally, Activus sent me an email and asked me if I wanted to review it, and I said yes. And then I didn't hear back from them, so I sent them an email about a week ago, I think it was, and said, what happened to the radio? And they said that it was out of stock and they would get back to me later. So I thought, well, maybe I should just go ahead and buy it. It looks really interesting. And so luckily this morning I found this review by Toddebert. I'm sorry, I mispronounced his name. I apologize. I mispronounced his name. Anyway, his reviews are excellent, very detailed, but his ratings are a little bit on the positive side. He seldom gives a negative rating, so you just got to keep that in mind. So he goes into this radio in detail and points out lots of problems. And I'm just going to go over what he pointed out very quickly, but please watch his video and actually see the radio in action. Okay, the first major bug that he pointed out is in medium wave band. When you're listening to the medium wave band, every once in a while you'll hear a bzzz, bzzz. And he traced it down to the thermometer that's in this radio. And apparently when it takes a sample, it creates noise into the medium wave band, making the medium wave band unusable. Okay, that's just one of about 10 things or more that he pointed out. The next thing is he pointed out there is no tone control whatsoever. Not a switch, not a knob, no tone control. That's bad. The earbud jack output, now this has just got the single speaker, so it's mono, so you would think you could plug in some earphones and get stereo FM. Nah, nada. Another big strike. There's no Bluetooth. This radio costs $50. No Bluetooth. Not a big deal for a lot of people that don't care about Bluetooth, but I have bought many radios under $25 that have Bluetooth. So why they left that out, it doesn't seem like it's a hard function to put in. But anyway, no Bluetooth. As you can see in this particular snapshot of his video, the display is too bright. Now he does in the video tilt the radio so you can see the display when the backlight is on. If you don't do anything or it's off, the backlight is off and you can read the display easily. So that's a big no-no. Here are the presets buttons. The medium wave band, he states, only has 10 presets. I can receive like 30 or 40 strong medium wave stations, so that's not going to hack it. The FM has 50, and that's not too bad. That would cover what I wanted. The shortwave is only 10 presets. Oh my gosh, what are they thinking? Okay, see this big knob here and this little one over here? You would think this would be the tuning knob because it's nice and big. Nope, they got this giant knob for volume. Oh my gosh. And they got this little teeny tiny knob for tuning. Now, typically that's where I want the tuning knob, is over here. And then therefore, because of the thickness of this radio, it can't be too big. But why have this giant knob here? Instead of this giant knob, you could have some other controls. I just don't understand that. This doesn't make sense. Now, when you are switching bands and you got the earphones in, you get a thump, thump. That if you have the volume up high, that's very annoying. Lastly, he mentions, and this is the good news, he mentions that he was told that there's going to be a major upgrade to this fall. So that might be why I did not get one for a review. Maybe they're holding off, because I'm pretty critical on my reviews. And boy, I would really be critical on this radio. So anyway, listen to his video, watch his video, decide what you want to do. He does an excellent job of his reviews. Some of them are a little long, like when he shows you the size. But anyway, he does a great job. I want to thank him for this review. It saved me $50. I mean, if I got this radio, I would be very disappointed. Anyway, thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.